Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 Dodge Ram 1500. This one is black. Underneath the hood is a 5.7 V8 Hemi with 395 horsepower and 410 pounds of torque. 20-inch 5-spoke chrome wheels. Hemi 5.7 badging. Ram 1500 on the side. Gray cloth interior. Bed cover, big horn 4x4 badging, trailer hitch, clean set of all-season floor mats, power windows, power seats, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, a touchscreen media display, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, heated seats, wireless charging. This Dodge has 30,668 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Dodge, visit us at feldmannimports.com.